What if you could trade with more confidence using a simple concept or boost your trading success by stacking the odds in your favor? Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of trading Confluence. Trading Confluence is nothing but a pieces of evidence pointing to the same trade direction. For example, trend lines, fair value gap, support and resistance level, all telling you market will be bullish or bearish. Just as doctors uses multiple tests to confirm a diagnosis, a trader uses confluences to confirm a trade setup. By combining multiple market factors, a trader can increase confidence in their trading decision, reduce risk, improve the accuracy of their trade. There are various types of confluences such as technicals, fundamentals, time frames, sentiment. However, we'll be emphasizing on technical confluence today. There are plenty technicals out there a trader uses as confluence to increase winning probability, but I'm only going to share with you few that I use and how I use them to become profitable. I'll be using this chart to explain to you confluences that I need to see and confirm on my chart before executing a trade, as I'm already in profit though my TP has not been hit yet. Alright, let's get down to business. I use a maximum of 6 confluences. When 3 and above are present on my chart, I regard that trade as a valid one. The confluences include support and resistance, break of structure, liquidity sweep, fair value gap, trend lines, and candlesticks. I'll tell you why I took this trade, as I have enough confluence on it. After price broke my resistance level with a bullish momentum candle, the red arrow above is pointing. Price started creating a market structure of higher highs and higher lows, respecting an uptrend line with a maximum of 3 touches, demarcated with green arrows as my first confluence. When price reaches this level where the red arrow is pointing, it fails to create another higher high, leaving a wick signifying there are selling pressures there, forming another resistance level. Market printed a multiple bearish momentum candle, leaving a 30-minute fair value gap, which was later on corrected by this candlestick. That marks our second confluence. Let's go back to our 1 hour chart. We also have our break of structure here, confirming market is about to change its structure from a bullish market structure to a bearish market structure. That means sellers should be on alert. So immediately I saw markets printing those aggressive bearish momentum candle. I waited for market to retrace back up and correct the remaining fair value gap it created. While waiting, I observed market started bouncing at this certain level, so I anticipated market will sweep that high to have a clear reason to start a bearish movement. And when market sweep that high, it uses a strong bullish momentum candle, manipulating traders to think we are still in a buy market, not knowing market was only after a previous 30-minute fair value gap I explained earlier. Price just tapped on it and aggressively reversed. I was supposed to sell immediately, but I still need another reason despite the confluences on my chart. So I was waiting for this fair value gap to appear. Immediately I saw it, I placed my sell limit order with my stop loss at equal level to my immediate high. And in no time, price triggered my entry with a target of 3.73 risk to reward. That's almost 4 risk to reward. Before we wrap up, let's talk about pitfalls. Don't overload your chart with 10 indicators. That's a recipe for confusion. Don't ignore risk management. Even with confluence, trades can fail. So always use a stop loss order and never force a trade just to find a confluence. If the signals are not there, just walk away. I learned this the hard way earlier on, and it cost me a chunk of my account. That is it, traders. Confluence is your secret weapon to trade with confidence and stack the odds in your favor. Start practicing on a demo account and you will see the differences. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite confluence setup? Want more? Check out my next video on 4 most common trading mistakes. See you then.